Oh, onye nenu ụwa bụ onye mere ike ya ọna. Ụwa bụ onye mere ike ya ọna. Ụwa bụ onye mere ike ya ọna. Onye nenu ụwa bụ onye mere ike ya ọna.
Oga.
Again, what?
So you have been cheating on me.
Jesus.
What is this? What is this? Eh? So you have been cheating on me. Oh God. I am managing this man and he still has the mind to cheat on me. Eh? So after all the things I have done for you, this is what you have to pay me back, Abby? What is this? I saw it in back of your trouser. See. Is it not the trouser you can come back from market yesterday? Eh? Hey! Nonsense! I'm going back to my father's house. Cheating man.
Madam.
Take!
Come, wait first. Where you say you find this thing?
This is the trouser you have come back yesterday from the market.
Yes.
This is where I saw it.
Okay,
it's here. Yes.
Nice one. So it has been you all this while.
What have I been doing?
It has been you all this while.
What have I been doing?
Eh? So you are the one that has been thieving my money, Abi. Each time I come back from work, before I will go check this trouser, the money where I kept there, no go see them again.
Jesus. Lie.
Eh?
So you are saying is excuse. What I know is that nothing concerns thieving of money. Inside seeing condom, inside this your trouser. Oh!
5 times now it don't happen. I go ask you, who is taking this money? Not only me and you this house.
You want to use this one and cover up?
No, wait.
Okay, you have been cheating on me. Can't collect your money. Is it a sin?
It's not a sin, but you need to tell me the truth. If I ask you who collect my money, you go tell me, now me collect. I'm not on the life for me. Eh? You be my wife. You know it's not supposed to lie to me. I dey give you money every morning before I go work. I will give money when you use them.
Oga, whatever you like. You are cheating on me. Hey, babe, and for everything I did to you, you still have the guts. Do you know I'm managing you? You need to even last for bed. You don't used to last. See yet you have the guts to cheat on me. Take it. I'm going back to my father's house. What am I still doing here?
Huh? Oh! Thank God for KC. KC.
From Moscow.
Ihe na-eme na be m.
Ife na-eme na be gị.
Arọrọ ihe na-eme na be m. Ọ dị n'ọka mụ na oke ebi n'ụlọ. Oke na-eri ego, oke na-eri ihe m, oke na-eri ego m.
Oke atara indomi gị ka ọ ṅụrụ yogurt gị.
Ọ na-ata indomi. Ọ bụ na indomi ọ ya ka mma. Ọ ya eji ego indomi ka oke na-ata.
Jesus. Ka ife bụ ife ọ, ka ihe ọ.
My brother, no go understand.
Wetin be that?
Any day, every time when I come back from work, the clothes I wear go work. If I go there to collect money I put there, the money go dey miss.